Welcome to RRG Bury on this sunny, cold day. I'm going to take you through the EV range of RRG's cars. This is the first one. It's a 7-seater EV9. It's one of the nicest cars with a range of 349 miles on a full charge. If you come over here and look at the grey one, this is our new baby. This is the EV4, which is really stylish. This is about 339 miles on a full charge. I love the style of that one. Come inside. Bit warmer in here. This is the EV5. This is the new car. This is Sportage size, and we're doing very well with it at the moment. This is metallic black. Again, mid 300s on a full charge, real life mileage. This is the EV3. This is the bestseller, World Car of the Year last year. And indeed, the EV9 was the World Car of the Year in 2022. This is a nice little compact SUV. Some great colours. Lots of style. Any information, come and speak to me at RRG Kia in Bury. I'll give you the best offer, the best deals and the best service. My name's Johnny Brogan, #1. Oosh.